Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will introduce how to use the FortiGate REST API to query the routing table. Previously, I have created a video say how to use the REST API to create static route. My friend has watched, he said that is good, but do you have a method to query the routing? I said definitely it can be. Let me create this video, introduce how to use it. Let us log into it first. In this video, I still use this test FortiGate. His version is 6.4.5. So you can see as this 6.4, so there's no monitor below the logs, so it's moved to here. So we go to network, and we go to expand full screen. Okay, like before, we needed to know what's the URL for doing this lookup. So we have introduced several methods, so let me do it. We have an example, and then we go to our FortiGate. Okay, we just querying this destination. We search. Okay, he found it. So let me go to here. Okay, so let me see which URL we used. Is here. We can see that this new GET request for API v2, this monitor. Previously, we used the CMDB, that is for configuration. The routing table query, we use the monitor API. So this is monitor router lookup. And then we can see we query performance the 808 and give the result. Okay, so this is a method for we use for debug httpsd. Let me check. We have the previous one. We have API reference, but this one is very old, 5.2.3. When we search lookup, not at here. So it means in 5.2 definitely not support query through the API. And we have also previously we have generate the output for 7.0 and 6.45. From here, we can see this is a monitor reference. Yeah, we can see it's a router lookup, and we can see performance of router lookup by querying the routing table. We already know it, but how to use it? So let me go to the FNDN. It will give you more interesting information. We use the 645, so we go to the router and then we check. Under the router, we have IPv4. We can see this is a query the whole routing table, and this is what we look up. This is very simple. This is required. You need to enter a string at here. So let me try it. Okay. So we query this IP address. That's right. So it will give you two methods. One is use curl, how to query, and this is HTTPS, how to query. So we can see we need to put our FortiGate IP address, API v2 monitor. That one is means the monitor API, and we use the router lookup, and we use the question mark destination equal 8.8.8 and plus access key token at here. So this is what we can just copy this one, and then we have here in here. Just reload this one. I just copy it here, and because I just give one more because I have put the root VDOM at here. Okay, so this is the result. He give you this result 8.8.8 and gateway and interface. And this one is give a query for the whole IPv4. IPv4 routing table. We can see it has 6 routing, and 4 of them is connected. And here is the static, and this one is another static route. So this is for query the whole routing table. This is a query which destination going which interface and gateway. So that will make the work simple. So I just create this script. That will be, I just put the query link, router lookup, and what we want to check, we have the IP address put at here. So we use create this function, query route, we put this one, and then he will add this IP address at here and do the query and give the return the result to this function. Why I write this way? Because A.A is the existing one, so we can find it. But if there's a non-existing one, he will give you a different result. So this we have a if-else to check whether it's return a valid configuration, a valid result. So we can see query this one. Okay, he will give the result. The result is that this one is successful. For the destination to here, the gateway is here, and the interface is this one. As my friend asked only the gateway IP address, so I just put that here. That will be easily to start. Okay, to this one, next hop is here. That one is should be met his requirement. So let me check the one routing is not exist. Yeah, this is why I do just not use the default gateway, because default gateway definitely will give you a result. I just use the static, and there's no default gateway. So search a non-existing routing, so he will give a result, and when they give the result, we will to test and then give this output. Let's have a look. Yeah, we do not find route to here. Same way at here. The result is this one is empty, so we just do a if else to query whether this return is a valid one. So if this one result is 0, not found, so print this one. And if you have this one, so you will give this one. So we still recommend you use the join the FNDN, because that one will be very useful to you. You can see, and he will also go what's the result. Yeah, that is a useful one. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.